y bienvenidos a todos. Hello and welcome you all to my channel, which is Spanish with Pallavi. Obviously, I am Pallavi. I'll be teaching you Spanish language in a local way, crazy way. Y buenas tardes, good evening. So, in the last video, you have learned about the reflexive verbs. As I have said before also, there are two types of verbs in Spanish language, which are regular verbs and irregular verbs. But there is another type of verb, which we have learned in the last video, reflexive verbs. How we conjugate the reflexive verb, what is the pattern for that, we have already done that part. But if you haven't watched that video, first go and watch that video, then you can learn about the pronouns. So in today's video, we are going to learn about the reflexive pronouns, which are normally the part of reflexive verbs. The pronombres reflexivo, reflexive pronouns. So we have done the conjugations for these two verbs only. Llamarse, sentirse. Llamarse to call, sentirse to feel. So we have already done this part, how we conjugate the verbs, reflexive verbs. Sentirse, llamarse. These are pronouns, as you can see here. So in today's video, we are going to learn about the reflexive pronouns, what is the pattern for that, and how we conjugate them, because we have to conjugate these pronouns as well. Okay, and also you have already done the pronouns, subject pronouns you have done. Today we are going to learn about the reflexive pronouns. And if you haven't watched that video, which is of subject pronouns, los pronombres, the pronouns, first go and watch that video also, which is in the playlist grammar topics. Okay, so yeah, and now you are going to learn about the reflexive pronouns. Let's get started. So as you can see here, these all are subject pronouns, and we have already done this part. We are going to learn about the reflexive pronouns. Okay, yo means first person I, tu is the informal way. This is the informal way to say you, and this is the formal way to say you. Okay, so this is tum or tu in Hindi, this is aap in Hindi. Okay, el means he and she. We have already done these conjugations, how we use these subject pronouns with normally how we conjugate the verbs. Okay, so whenever we were conjugating the verbs, normally there are AR, IR and ER type of verbs in Spanish. Whenever we are conjugating them, so we use these pronouns with them. Okay, always. But we are going to learn about the reflexive pronouns, and we have already done the part for reflexive verbs. Okay, so remember this part, we are using reflexive pronouns with reflexive verbs. Okay, so for first person, first of all, these all are singular forms only. Plural we are going to learn in the next part of this video. Yo, we use may. Okay, so we were conjugating the llamarse and sentirse in the last video. We are going to take that same example. Me llamo. We will conjugate the llamar verb like we were doing with the AR ending verb. Okay, me llamo. Te. For second person, we are using te. Te llamas. Usted se llama. Okay. So this is the first form, I, you, he or she, and usted. Okay. So we are going to take the examples for these also. Yo hablo español. Tú hablas español. Él habla español. Ella habla español. Usted habla español. Okay, so how we were using this, how we use this. Me llamo Pallavi, te llamas Pallavi, or se llama Bruno, Maria, and so on. So let's get to the plural forms now. So these are the plural forms, as you can see here. Okay, these all are plural forms. These are subject pronouns. We have already done this part, what we were doing with them. Nosotros, nosotras hablamos español. We talk in Spanish. Okay, we speak Spanish. Vosotros, vosotras habláis en español. Habláis. Ellos hablan en español. Ellas hablan español. Ustedes hablan español. So that's how we were doing with subject pronouns. Normally how we conjugating the verbs in present tense. Okay, how we use them. Till now we have only done the present tense, and we are still doing the present tense. Okay, reflexive pronouns, how we use that for first person plural form. Nos only. Nos llamamos. Okay. For vosotros, you all, plural, second person, informal way. Os llamáis. Third person, se. So you must be thinking that why we are using say for third person same. either it is plural or singular. Yes, we do use say for third person singular, third person plural. These are same, but you can guess it. What type of pronoun is that according to the verb? Okay, say jama. Jama is singular. Say jaman. It means they. Okay, jaman plural. So that's how you guess it, what type of say it is. Okay. So now we are going to learn about the verbs and pronouns, how we use them together whenever we are conjugating both of them. Let's get started. So as you can see here, I'm taking the example levantarse. Levantarse is a reflexive verb. So I'm going to take this example levantarse. Me levanto a las 9 en la mañana. So I'm conjugating this in the first person, levanto. Me levanto a las 9 en la mañana. I am conjugating it for the first person. I woke up around 9 in the morning. A las 9. Okay. So we are going to do, first we are going to conjugate this pronoun. Okay. Me. We are going to write all the conjugations for pronoun only. Okay. First. These are singular. Okay. These are plural. What were the conjugation? Nos, os, say. First, second, third, singular, plural. Okay. Now we are going to conjugate the levantar as we were doing with AR ending verb. In the playlist, you can watch that video, conjugations for explanations of conjugation, and you can watch the part AR ending verbs. Okay, conjugations. So we will do the same here. Levantar is an AR ending verb, as you can see here. So what we were doing for first person, me levanto. O. Te levantas. Se levanta. So I can say me levanto a las 9 en la mañana. Te levantas a las 9 en la mañana. Say, or you can say Maria se levanta a las 9 en la mañana. That's on you. Okay. So we will conjugate these verbs like we were doing for AR ending verb, and we will use the pronoun always before the conjugated verb. Always. Okay. And that also depends in which tense we are talking. Okay. In which tense we are having conversation. This also plays a very important role for reflexive verbs. So according to that, we will conjugate them. But mostly, we will always use the pronouns, reflexive pronouns, before the conjugated verbs. Okay? We will do plural now. Nos levantamos. Levantáis. Levantan. Okay? So what is the difference? Levanta and levantan. N. Okay. Se levanta, Maria se levanta a las 9 en la mañana. Maria y Bruno se levantan a las 9 en la mañana. So I'm mentioning single person, I'm mentioning two person. Okay. So this is the difference. So that's how we do the conjugations. That was it for today, but till now, if you haven't watched that video which is of reflexive verbs, first go and watch that video which is in the playlist, all about verbs. Okay, so in that you will get to learn so many types of verbs, and first go there and watch the video of reflexive verbs, then watch this video which is of pronouns, reflexive pronouns. Okay, because these two videos are interrelated, so you have to watch that video first, then this video. So there is so much to come. There are so many videos that I'm going to upload. Suggest me what type of videos I should upload and what type of videos do you want me to upload. Okay, so stay tuned with my channel which is Spanish with Pallavi. Adios, hasta pronto.